Well, a fine good evening, everyone. This is Patricia and I am traveling for history. Look at this beautiful building in front of us. I'm in Whiting, Vermont today. Whiting, Vermont is in Addison County, in case you're curious. And this is the Whiting Meetinghouse, currently the Whiting Community Church. Hezekiah Scovel erected the Whiting Meetinghouse in 1811 in Whiting Village. In 1832, residents remodeled it, adding the projecting central pavilion, two-stage belfry tower and steeple, and Greek Revival-style entries, corner pilasters, and full entablature at the eaves. So, let's break some of that stuff down, shall we? So, we can see the Greek Revival-style elements right here, right? That looks like the top of a pediment, or actually that looks like a pediment, which would be true of a Greek temple. Usually would have a frieze inside. Sorry, I was looking away from my camera, and the reality is up here for me in person. But so frieze would go in there. The pilasters are here and here. Let me zoom in for you so you can see them better. We've seen oodles of pilasters. Oodles. Pilasters are columns built into the wall. And here, there's one there and one there. And also, there's another one here and here. I love the two doors. And I'm still not sure why it would have two doors. Is it one for men and one for women? Is it just easier for egress and exit? Wait a minute, egress. Maybe that's going out. Is that just easier to get in and out of the building? There we go. I don't know. If someone does know, please speak up. This building is on the State Register of Historic Places. State Register. On the top of the building, there is a weather vane. Can you see that up there? Let me see. Let me take a walk over here so maybe you can see it better. It is windy and it's going to rain. Do you see how dark those clouds are? It's not dark enough for it to be dark out, although it's getting close. You can see my pictures, by the way, in case you're interested, on Instagram or Facebook, Traveling for History, both places, one L, of course, in traveling, just like my channel. I'm also on Twitter, Traveling for High 1, that's HI number 1, HI with a numeral 1. Place could use a paint job, I see. Could be the least of the problems in the building, though. Let's do a walk around. And bonus, there's a cemetery out back. That'll be a separate video, though, provided I don't get rained on. Although my friends tell me I'll not melt. What the heck is up with that? Now, I don't know if they're planning an event, and that's why they have that right there. And that sort of looks like the parsonage over here, but I don't know. See, they have a handicap ramp. I wish I had more information for you, except to say that since the early 20th century, Whiting has remained primarily an agricultural town. And I can vouch for that. Driving here, granted I was coming from that way to here, but a lot of manure was what I smelled, and that manure is going to lead to fabulous crops. So I may not like to smell it, but I do like the product from it. And look at that. The announcement box in the center has nothing in it. I'm not really used to seeing them empty, to be honest. But let's take a walk this side first. Well, it's definitely clapboard, wood clapboard on here. Oh, and they have cameras. Imagine that. This is supposed to be handicap parking for a motorcycle. Just kidding. Just kidding. I mean, I have a handicap placard, so my car would never fit in there, though. It wouldn't now. Nope. Heck no. Well, we see they have a kitchen, or at least a kitchenette here. You see that too, eh? Imagine. See, there's stairs. I wonder if that's a stove right there. What do y'all think? But these windows definitely need paint. I mean, ooh, it looks like vinyl siding. Yes, vinyl siding. Interesting. Vinyl siding could use a hosing. And if it sounds harsh, I'm observing what it needs. A little TLC goes a long way. Oh, I only see a reflection there. Let's see. There we go. Well, this building definitely needs some help. Oh my gosh, look at that. The cemetery looks pretty old. What is this? Oh well, barbecue? It's sort of like maybe a barbecue with that there to empty the ash out. Definitely a shed, but the shed really could use some help. Look at those old headstones. Wow. For those of you who like my cemetery videos, I think we know what's coming, don't we? I love the look of this kind of fire escape stairway. Hate walking on them because I'm afraid of height. And that just lets me see everything. Ew. With an exhaust fan. I don't know. I don't know where that leads. I know you see me, so sorry. More vinyl siding back here. But nothing on the pilasters themselves. So that's pretty fantastic. They would be difficult to cover, honestly. And the lilacs are in bloom. Do you love lilacs too? That up there needs help. Smell of fresh lilacs. Oh, talk about heaven sent. And more vinyl siding, except for the pilaster. Look at that beautiful stonework. First time I've noticed it. I've been so focused on looking up, I missed it entirely. Good Lord, so to speak. Okay, there's vinyl siding up until we get to the boards here. These boards right here. Coat of paint, primer and paint. Because that's a great, compared to other things you can do, it's a great way to save, to protect. Ooh, handrails are leaning. But there's a sturdy handicap ramp. So that's fantastic. Okay, so the front of the building is not covered in vinyl siding, but the other 3 sides are. Okay, all right. And it looks like the belfry is also covered right here. See that? Could be better covered though. Could be better attached. I don't think that's clapboard. I think that's vinyl siding. Yeah. Sorry to sound so unsure. It's quite high up. Transom windows above the doors. I don't know if they opened. They didn't. The transom windows didn't necessarily open, so I don't know if they opened at all. Transom window is this window right here. Same with that over there. And transom window is an early form of air conditioning, really. If you think about it like that, hot air rises, and as hot air rises, it would be sucked out the window, pulling cooler air down below. And that cycle would continue until the transom window was closed, or the door was closed. So, anyway, so if you like my material, my videos and all that good stuff, hey, please subscribe. 177 and growing every day. Truly appreciate it if you'd subscribe to my channel. I still upload every day, so a lot of bang for your buck, even though it's free. All right, this is Patricia, and I am traveling for history. Thanks for following me today. Appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave your comments below. And you have a great evening until I see you again. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.